ring. Every full moon day. Karkas. You have to put a ruby in a gold ring and wear it in to be worshipped by you. Siddhi Lagna, ruby and emerald. Harihar Upasana. Now, here I want to clear one thing with you. You will find Leo ascendant people, mostly they are rich. Why it is so? Why it is so? Because Lord of the Lagna become Sun. Lord of the second house become the Mercury. Lord of the 11th house is also Mercury. And both are mostly come together. Then, so it is a clue why Siddhi Lagna people are more economically strong. Okay, it is a clue behind that. Okay, and you have to worship Harihar. Sunday fast is good for them, for their economical condition. Kanya. Diamond and green emerald. Ganesh and Lakshmi Upasana. Okay. Now Libra. Here in Kendra or Trikon. Never goes for Neelam. Never go to wear blue sapphire. It will be harmful in terms of economy.
Bhattacharya, could you repeat that line, please?
In Libra ascendant, if Saturn in Kendra or Trikon, in well placed, it is not needed to wear the blue sapphire or Neelam, what called Neelam. If you are going to wear Neelam, you will get the loss in terms of money. If it is ill placed, means your Saturn is not well placed, means it is ill placed, other than Kendra Trikon, then you may go for it. Sunil Babu, clear?
So, sir, if it's in Kendra or Trikon,
then no need to wear Neelam.
Then there's no need. Okay.
No
sir.
need.
And if it, about the
I am
placement,
specifically telling all these things.
yes, sir, right.
Okay. But if it is somewhere else,
In 6, 8, 12 or something.
accidental 12 or 11 or 3rd or whatever it may be.
Any
okay.
Upachay or any other
Then, yes,
span.
yes. Then you may wear it
Okay.
during Mahadasa or Antardasa of that particular Saturn.
Okay.
And you have to worship the Rudra, Bhairav and Kali for your economical betterness. Scorpio, you have to wear 2 rings for your economic condition. You have to wear 2 rings. One is of Pukhraj, means yellow topaz and white coral. Second one, ruby and green emerald. Now I would like to share my knowledge with you. Everybody is asking that planetary position. In our Indian palmistry, there is no mount. There is no mount is given. So mount is not our Indian traditional concept. So there is no need to say any finger is related with any ring on any finger. Okay, so it is very specified. Weekly, I am telling this thing to you. So,
Sir,
I
we have
have
reached
given
till Scorpio. Yes, sir.
Scorpio, yellow topaz and white coral in one finger, in another finger, ruby and green emerald. It will improve, definitely improve your economical condition up to the mark, not it is up to the mark you will get it. And you have to worship Durga and Shiv. Sagittarius, just little bit hurry. Sagittarius, ruby and green emerald in a gold ring. Ganesh and Lakshmi Upasana for Sagittarius. Capricorn, blue sapphire is the best for the Capricorn. Okay, because here you see the Lagnesh and Dutiyes, Lord of the second house and Lord of the Lagna become the Saturn. Worship Lord Hanuman, Durga or Bhairav for your better mind. Pukhraj for wealth, and for your if you are working with government or you are Mahalakshmi and Mahavishnu, means Mahalakshmi and Mahavishnu, a terms comes when you will worship Vishnu and Lakshmi that in a Kshir Sagar, in that particular photograph. If you are going to worship, you will get the 100% benefit. Okay, and last, Pisces, red coral, white pearl. You may wear it for a long term, for a long time. You have not to wear. You have not to wear blue sapphire. Go for that. You will definitely get the losses. Hanumanji, Shiv. So I have made a lot of 9 position of Mercury with Rahu or Guru. Market will be get rising position. And with Ketu or Mars, market become in bearish position. So I have concluding here. There are so many lot of things regarding this market and this. Now let me say one thing. Okay. If your Mars is retrograde, you may earn a lot of money if you are going to deal with land or anything, any component or any material comes out from the land. Listen me very carefully, and I am very, very thankful to Almighty who has given me good health to communicate with you, because I was not in a position to communicate anything. But
Right,
I did well. I did well, and I am very, very thankful to Sunil Babu who has given me a chance. And I was very, very fear with English language, but he is so happy to listen me. He had come to know that I am doing well with English up to the for this explanation. I can. Now I am in
Yes, you can.
Charlotte, madam. Namaskaram. Okay.
Okay, thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Sanat.
Thank you, sir.
Sanam.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Badaraji. I'm so
Thank you so
happy
much,
and I'm
sir.
grateful to your doctors. And
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you,
both
sir.
both of us suffer from the same pain at the same place. So I can understand the pain. Anyway, thank you so much, Badaraji, once again.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
One quick note here. I always believe that in Jyotish, we must respect different views. And I personally believe, although Badaraji has given you all absolute prime secrets of stock market astrology, and apart from other things that he taught, he has basically given you the juice, the essence. And my Guru Patel Sahab, as he told to Badaraji, he had told me his daughter Patel Sahab that
Yes.
so he had told me he had made huge amounts of money in very much into reading. Now I don't get the opportunity to read. My eyes keep on paining. And that's the reason many of you often I'm just doing this and that. But Rig Veda is very crystal clear on gambling. Out of the 4 sins, gambling is one sin for which there is no upay, there is no remedy. I think it's chapter 22 or something. I remember my doctor sending me that slok. He said not to use Sarvotobhadra Chakra for financial astrology. Here, I would like to distinguish. Suppose you are investing in, say, a company that is making furnitures. You are investing as a partner. That is a long term. So that does not become gambling. It is how your intention is. Your intention is for the company to go above or just for your stock to raise. So even the long term, short term thing fails here, provided your intention. So if I'm investing money in my, say, son's company, for example, I would want his company to go up, not just the appreciation on the money. My intention is not the appreciation of the money. Are you all understanding why I'm saying there are many young people here and there is nobody to guide? And today, 2 hot topics you can make huge amounts of money is stock market astrology and sexual astrology. Okay. Sexual astrology, when it is used to abuse, it is anything.
Welcome, sir. And sir will be speaking with us about Mudakku Rashi and Mudakku Nakshatra, an unknown method from Tamil astrology.
Namaste. Can everybody hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very clearly.
Somebody will have to share my presentation.
Yes, sir. I'll be doing that for you.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah. Good morning, everyone. Mudakku Nakshatra, Mudakku Rashi is one of the very rare techniques that is practiced very much in Chennai and Tamil Nadu. It is not there in any scripture, but almost all ace astrologers in Tamil Nadu use it very, very much.